What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today is the day, right, Austin? Right. We're gonna finish the WRX?
No.
Psych. I'm just joking. Today we actually have to like somewhat make it look decent so we can submit photos to Stance Wars to see if we get into top 100 or VIP for Vegas. If you guys don't know yet, we are going to Vegas from the 13th to the 17th for Stance Wars. So today we're pretty much gonna install the wheels, put on the entire kit, and hopefully it's still sunny so we can pull it out and take some photos. But it's like 6 o'clock right now and the sun goes down at freaking 8, and this man decided to start this late.
We got a parking garage.
Bro, this is where you fucking went to.
I got this for lunch.
Oh, y'all haven't seen these either, huh? Keep the hood vents. Ooh wee. We are also gonna be installing these today, right?
Right.
Yes, sir. Okay, can we please get started, bro?
Yeah, let's do
it. The sun is literally going down as we speak. Oh, is this the drink you got for me?
I said, give me your most popular drink.
Thanks, bro. Let's try it out. Let's try it out.
Let's see how acid. Put it out.
What is it? It has Red Bull. It's kind of fire, bro.
They didn't tell me what it was.
They gave you a drink and didn't tell you what it was?
I said, give me your most popular drink. And then she just typed it.
It's kind of fire. All right, time to actually get to work. In case y'all didn't catch yesterday's vlog, we almost died when the jacks failed yesterday. So please tell me that you got these jacks fixed, bro.
I didn't fix them, but we'll lock them in this time.
You didn't have them locked to begin with?
Not that side.
Bro, my guy was trying to kill us. What the fuck, Austin? Are you crazy, bro? So what's the game plan here? What's going down first? Mister?
Slot the front.
Okay, yep. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and slap the wheels on the front so I can show you guys how to slot your struts for camber and basically get camber for free. Free 99. From afar, it looks like it fits really well and perfect, but when you get up close, the tire is actually hitting this lip right here, and I already shaved this down the other day. So the only thing we can do now is we're gonna go ahead and add some camber in by slotting the strut so Austin doesn't end up breaking this piece right here. Let's see how much lower we have to drop it. About 1.5 inches. All right, Austin, put the car on jack stands, baby. Here goes nothing. Please don't fall on us again.
Slowly. Oh, it's broken.
What?
You know, is it like leaking over there? Is that what they should go ahead?
What?
Hit it again.
You're scaring me, bro.
It sounds weird. Do you not hear it? Go up, up. Okay, now lower it. Wait.
Just making sure Austin got the locks in this time. Fucking Austin.
Lower it.
More? Okay. Okay, and I depressurized it too, so we're good. Right?
I don't know why. It's moving again.
It's moving?
It looks like it. That's locked.
Why don't we shake the car and make sure?
Okay, now it's locked. They're both locked, like pushed.
Okay. Alright, let's get to it.
I'll take the drive off real quick.
Alright, so now that we got the wheel off, I can finally show you guys what slotting the strut does. So as you can see right here, there's a top bolt and a bottom bolt. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out that bolt and slot the whole of the strut inward so then we can push the hub in, therefore achieving camber. So let's go ahead and take off that bolt and loosen the bottom one. Alright, I went ahead and unbolted the strut. So the only two things you need to do this is you need a drill that is somewhat pretty strong and a good drill bit. Don't get no Harbor Freight drill bit. You're gonna be sitting here for hours. We picked up this Milwaukee drill bit right here. It's pretty fat. So all you need to do, put this on the drill bit and then just go side to side until you feel like you have enough. Alright guys, I just finished up on this side. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it actually does when you slot the holes. Okay, so this is how it would be positioned if it was stock, right? No camber, but since we slotted the holes, boom. Y'all see that bolt, right? We can push it in now for camber. Look. Focus. Ready? Push it in. And then we just use a nut and lock it in place. And then we're money. Let's see if I slotted it enough. If not, we'll take it off and slot it some more. Send it. Safety first.
Safety first, bitches.
Oh! That's why we wear those, ladies and gentlemen. Fuck, are you okay? Toss that bitch away. There we go. Alright, Austin, slap on the new wheels. Alright, time to test fit the new wheels to see if that fitment is nice and money.
Damn.
Oh yeah. It's not even lowered, but y'all see that camber already, bro? Yes, sir.
It'll almost fit with the stock fender.
Bro, trust. You got the wheels all tight?
Yeah.
Slap it on, bro.
And air out the car.
Oh my god.
What did I tell you, Derek?
Bro, look at that camber though. Hey, but it's okay because we still got movement in the top hat. We got like 4 degrees up there.
To put it back?
Yeah. Open your hood, let me show you.
I bet you, I know that. I have adjustment, but I'm saying if we're gonna put it all the way out and it's not even gonna be fitting right.
No, I guarantee
We're
you.
getting spacers.
No, we're good. Look, this man's max camber on the top hat so we can adjust it all the way over. Where's your Allen wrench, bro?
Your ass.
Alright, bro, pull it out. Alright, y'all ready to see good fitment? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, push it in a little.
That way?
Yeah.
It's gonna still needs to air out.
Go, push it in. Oh, a little bit more. Right there. Lock it in, bro.
He said right there.
That's gonna be money right there.
He yelled right there.
Look at that. That is absolute money. Ooh-wee. We bolted down the camber plates, just 2 in for now. And so we haven't even adjusted the height yet. We're gonna see how it sits just with the camber adjustment. So go ahead, jack up the wheel, Austin. This time don't tip over the car. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh. Oh. What just happened, bro?
It's fun.
Put it on the control. Put it on an arm. Oh.
It's too cambered.
We can always take some out. Keep going. Keep going.
Make sure it doesn't.
What was that noise?
It's maxed out.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like we gotta drop it like 1.5 inches. Alright, back down, bro. See, this is what they don't show you on the internet. Getting perfect fitment is literally so tedious. It's on and off, testing and testing. But in the end, it's definitely worth it. Yeah, spin that shit, bro. All the way up.
All the way.
So unfortunately, these cars aren't like the FRSs and BRZs. They're all-wheel drive, so when you lower them too much, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this is the strut itself is binding to the axle. You guys see that? How it's touching the axle? So we gotta raise the car, unfortunately. Damn, you might not be Stancy Pants. So, you know what this means?
What?
If you don't sit fender to lift, the only solution is to put on a spacer and add more camber. So camber it is, bro. Camber gang. So we managed to raise it a little bit more, and you guys can see it right now. It barely clears, and it's not gonna hit because it all travels together. Austin, jack it up. Show them that it doesn't hit. See, when you jack it up, it all moves in one piece. So we're good to go, baby.
Let's do it.
Okay, stop on the wheel.
Look at the
tilty boy. Now you know how I feel, bro. This is aired up all the way. Ridiculous. Shit, you almost cut your leg off, bro. Okay. Okay.
What's in the car up?
It is. Okay. Sheesh. That's money right there. We're good, bro.
Good enough?
Yeah. Let's lower it before the car fucking drops on us again. This side is officially done. Now we're gonna move over to the other side and go ahead and slot these struts and adjust the height. And then we should be good to go and put on the rest of the kit. How high is that one?
We got 2 and right there.
How high is it?
2 1/4.
Okay, measure the other side.
Why is that? That side's not even like this, is it?
What?
Shit.
What is that?
It's about 2 1/4.
Damn. What the fuck?
It's fucked up.
Alright, so you guys just saw, for some reason, the driver's side is a lot lower than the passenger side, even though we measured out everything and it's like the same. So, I don't know what's going on here. We checked to see if anything's like hitting, bottoming out, nothing. We measured the wide body kit to see if it's the same size. It is. So, only thing we have left to do is I'm gonna tell Austin to lower this side a bit, or I guess raise this side like an inch so that these two are even.
I still can't turn my fucking wheel.
That's a little better though.
I know, but if I turn, what's gonna happen?
Hang on. What if we add more camber?
But then we're gonna be tucking when we're out. This is already flush, basically.
No, it's not. How's that flush?
Well, not flush, but...
And your caster. I think it's your caster that's fucked. Look, it's the wheel's hella pushed forward.
Oh, fuck, it is.
Alright guys, I have a unfortunate update for you guys. So, you guys saw that the caster was fucked. So, I asked Austin, did you hit anything? Or did anything hit you? Did you go over a bad bump or anything? And then he told me like a few months ago he hit something on the road really bad. Bent both of his work wheels. That just happens to be on the same side where the suspension is fucked right now. So I'm thinking it's either a bent strut or a bent control arm or something like that. Or even worse, frame, which I hope it's not. So we just dropped the strut and it looks pretty straight to me. So that rules out the strut. So the next thing is the lower control arm. So Austin's gonna go ahead and order the front lower control arms to see if that's the problem. I mean,
I guess I am.
That's the only solution, bro. Hopefully that solves the issue. If not, Austin is really fucked. Cause then he got a bent frame. I swear this car just is crying right now. Yesterday we dropped the car because the jack failed. Austin lowered the door onto the jacks. Fucked that shit up. And now either his suspension or frame is fucked.
Fucked.
Fucked. Ripperino.
R.I.P. that. Hey. Dinner?
Okay, yup, it's time for some food, I guess. We're still gonna try to make it to Stance Wars. I don't give a fuck. We're gonna do it, bro. We're gonna find out what the problem is and we're gonna send it.
We're gonna try.
I'm pretty much gonna wrap up the vlog right here with some bad news for you guys, but don't worry. We're coming back. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Am I right, Austin?
That's right.
Yes, sir. Next video you guys will see will probably be us diagnosing what the problem is and hopefully fixing it so we can get this car ready for Stance Wars. All right, Austin, tell the viewers what they have to do.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yes, sir. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. I'm about to sell these pink Graham lights tomorrow. So here's a final send with the gram lights.
Show us what you got.
How's that, baby?
Fuego!